on here. I gotta fix it. So chat filter, top chats, all messages, non chat messages. Let me fix it so I can put it on subscriber only. Only subscribers can chat. Okay. Good afternoon, people. Scrumpy. I'm getting ready for the rain. It's coming. I got it set for subscriber only chat. So that means if you ain't subscribed, you ain't making a comment. So why not subscribe and get it over with? Hmm? Yep, I think you should subscribe. I really do. Because if you subscribe, then you're not going to miss out on nothing. I've been putting a lot of content up. A lot. I've been putting it on Instagram, on my membership. I've been putting it on YouTube, all my social media platforms. The biggest thing now is donations. Y'all want to donate and support the channel? I kind of think you do. If you do, you cash app it, right? Depending on the donation amount is where I'm going to put your name. Seems to be working for other people. Hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera around here a second. I'm not sure if you can hear me. What the fuck is going on here? Let me pause this.